Hey guys, for today I found another interesting tool for you. Handy, it's an AI-powered speech-to-text platform designed to convert spoken language into written text efficiently. It allows you to activate transcription with a simple keyboard shortcut. Listen through your microphone and generate text from your speech in real time. The tool is built to support a smooth workflow, helping you to move from speaking to writing without interrupting your focus. It can be used across different applications, making it useful for tasks like writing documents, coding, chatting, or taking notes. Handy also emphasizes privacy and local processing, meaning your audio can be handled directly on your machine without relying on external services. In terms of interaction, Handy is designed to integrate closely with your system input, and on some setups it can insert transcribed text directly at the cursor position. Depending on the environment, however, the output may instead be provided through alternative methods, such as clipboard-based workflows. Overall, Handy provides a lightweight and practical way to transform speech to text, offering flexibility for different system configurations while supporting productivity and accessibility in everyday use. And it comes for all of major platforms. Let me show you. So you can find it both for Windows, Mac and Linux. If you have not already, please download it, and I already did it. So on my Linux machine I'm going to use it with app image, so make sure that this image is executable as program. So now I'm just going to run it. And we are in. So if this is your first run, check models. In here you have many different models to choose. Some of these models are better for one purpose, worse for another. Like in this case, this model is particularly good for Russian speech. This one for German, Spanish, French and English. And I took this very first one. Fast and accurate. And it works nice for English, but not particularly good for other languages. This is important to know. So how actually it works? You have this shortcut. So when you hold Ctrl and space, then you are going to provide speech that you want to be transcribed. After you are done, you are going to release those buttons and you are going to find results in history. And as you can see, for now I have nothing in here. Let's check advanced button. You can launch it on setup, start hidden, and you have many more options in here. Although these two options are not going to work with app image. If you want to achieve something like that with app image, you would have to take different approach. And I explained that part many times on this channel. So I'm going to open history and I'm going to press Ctrl and space. Now I'm going to say something that is going to be transcribed, and finally I'm going to release those buttons. Allow remote interaction and share. Alright. Space. Now I'm going to say something that is going to be transcribed, and finally I'm going to release those buttons. You can copy it, delete it, whatever you want. And as you probably notice, longer the speech, Handy is going to take more time in order to transcribe it. So nothing unexpected. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Please like, subscribe. See ya!